Simon, what did you just say? You ready for what?
The present.
Yeah.
Who's the present from?
The monkey.
The monkeys. Okay, here we go.
Ready? Help me open it. Okay. Let's see. It says, "We love you, Simon."
It's popping.
We'll do
I know
some
this
popping,
one.
but first,
Wait, who's this a sign from?
it's from Sis, Tish, and this is me. They're little monkeys.
That's from the little monkeys.
Okay, thank you, little monkeys.
See you, little bubbles.
Little bobos.
Little bobos.
Okay,
All
Simon.
right, Simon. Oh my gosh. Pull it out. This is just for you.
Do you know what it is?
It is.
A monkey.
A monkey.
It's from the monkeys. Do you want to open it? Let's see. What is it? Can you tell what it is?
A TV.
Close. It's your very own.
Present.
Present. Yeah. What does Mama always bring over that you
What's
love to play
that
with?
say? What letter is that?
Helicopters.
Yeah, you could watch helicopters on there. Simon, it's your own iPad, Simon.
It's an iPad for Simon!
And put it down.
Yeah, put it down.
I did.
You did it. It's from the monkeys.
Look at that. It's in, let's try English.
Drumming. You're drumming.
We could probably do drumming on there.
Oh, Roxy's so excited too.
See you later.
See you later, Roxy.
See you later.
Simon, we don't have any of your games on there yet, but we can have birthday party. And what other games do you like on the iPad with Mama?
Birthday party, please.
Birthday party, yeah, where you can
Birthday
pop the
party.
balloons and work on your fine motor skills. And some spelling games. Okay, hey,
Check it.
Simon, will you say thank you to the monkeys?
Thank you, monkeys.
Nice. Thank you, monkeys. We love you.
Say, go monkeys!
The monkeys.
Woo!